Hey you guys, my name is Crystal and I am a regular real life mom, and I've decided that 2019 is the year I will get decluttered. Because I am so busy, and I'm sure a lot of you moms can relate, like there's no time in the day. My goal right now is 10 minutes a day, 10 minutes of actual decluttering, and then if I have to shred anything or get rid of it, that doesn't count in the 10 minutes. I'm currently on the third category, which is paper. And I'm in the middle of going through a ton of recipes that I've gathered over the years. And there are so many Weight Watchers recipes in there. Oh my gosh. And Weight Watchers isn't really a part of my life anymore. So I am just going through them all, and I'm taking each one out of the special plastic sleeve that I put it in because I was going to keep these pristine forever. So I'm taking them all out and looking at them one by one and holding them in my hand and seeing if they spark joy. And really what it is remembering, like, do I remember this, cooking this, and do I remember it being good? And if so, I've gone ahead and kept it, which there are very few that I've kept, and most of them are just going into recycling. So here I am cleaning out that binder. I had a time when my toddler was actually taking a nap, and my baby was, he was calm. He wasn't asleep, but he was calm. So, you just take the 10 minutes wherever you can get it during the day. Hey, so I've finished decluttering for this week. I have to be quiet because my baby's asleep, and my toddler is asleep in the other room. But I got through the recipes, I think. I ended up going through a lot of my grandmother's recipes that I received after she passed away, and that was several years ago now, but I hadn't had the heart to go through the recipes. But I did finally, and there were just a ton from box tops and newspapers and magazines, and I didn't want to throw them away before, but then I realized I do the same thing. I cut out recipes from magazines and things like that, and I don't even cook half of them, and she probably didn't cook half of those either. So that made it a lot easier for me to throw those away. Well, actually, I didn't throw them away. All the ones that I didn't want to keep, I put aside into a Ziploc, and I have a friend who's super into vintage everything, including recipes, and so I'm going to give it to her, and she can go through and see what she wants to keep. So I did that, and I also went through a lot of manuals and got rid of virtually all of them. There were a few that were for things that belonged to my husband, and so I had him look through it before I recycled them, because one of the things that Marie Kondo says is to not throw away things that are not your own. So I'm fortunate that I was able to just give them to him, and he was like, yeah, you can toss all these. So I did not take before and after photos, which was foolish, but I got rid of 2 storage, like square cube storage bins full of papers, and I'm making progress on papers, so I'm really proud of myself this week.